Yeah, 828 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds.
Wow.
Yeah, a lot of power for a car this size. It weighs just over 6,000 pounds. 60. Oh yeah, that's not too far away. I live in Los Angeles. It's a little bit more of a drive for me. I actually made a road trip
Lovely ocean.
this week.
Driving along the ocean.
What's that?
No.
So this is our 1,200 horsepower fastest four-door sedan in production in the world.
Wow. So you say 0 to?
0 to 60 in 1 point. Nice and easy through here. We're not going to get on the gas here. They're okay.
60.
Okay. Sounds good. You too.
Policemen around here, right?
There's been a few driving around, so we gotta, yeah.
Okay.
They've been on their bikes too, so they're a little bit harder to see.
Feels lovely.
The biggest thing with this one over like our regular Airs is that this will be a tri-motor, where the others are dual motor all-wheel drive. So this one, there's two in the back and one up front, giving it that added horsepower, and it's a little bit different suspension. It's more track rated with the ceramic brakes as well, so it handles up the racetrack pretty well.
Oh, okay. Have you been racing it anywhere?
I've driven some hot laps on the track in this. Kind of give like thrill rides.
Smooth. It's
It
very
is.
smooth.
At the south side up here when it goes to the right. And that's the drive mode that we're in, is smooth. So that's like our eco or comfort mode, where we'll get the best range, and it's also the best ride quality.
You need an eco for this? There is no gas on this, right?
No, I just...
Is this right?
Yep, we're gonna go to the right.
Okay.
There isn't an eco mode. I was just referring to like the smooth mode is like an eco mode, where it's like as much power and stuff like that.
Good. At the waterfront, can he switch and try it?
Absolutely.
You want to, Bala?
No, it's okay. You.
Try it. It's a lovely car.
I know, but it's okay. No.
You can ask them for another ride if there's no one waiting. Sure, there are people. Careful.
Yeah. And with this one, because it is the Sapphire, it comes standard with all the bells and whistles. Heated, ventilated, the massaging front seats.
Okay.
Our what we call Dream Drive Pro, which is like our adds in radar, LiDAR, all the camera settings.